is sew the 2 combs to the cap so your wig can be secured. Just a regular sewing, it's real easy. Cut the string, tie it right there, bam. Alright, so we're going to put another one in, sew that in, right there. Just speeding it up for you guys. See? Snaps on. Alright, we cut that there. Then we're going to tie that. Nice and tight. Alright, cut that. Now what we're going to do is add some eyelash glue so it could hold, so you won't have a problem with untying. See? Nice and fit. And the cap is going to be ready to go so we could insert the hair. Okay, so now we're getting up to the fun part where we start inserting it with our crochet hook right here. So basically latch by latch, like I usually slip them through like 2 to 3 holes just to keep it safe. We pull tight here, take some hair there. Alright, make it thin so it could fit on the hook, latch it in, swoop, and then nice and tight. So it's real simple, guys. Alright, so like I said, take some hair, put it through a couple of holes, and slip it through. And sometimes it may not fit if you take too much, so just put it in and then move it around. And then you continue. so here it is, half finished. Alright, so all you see is that I have to finish up the top right here. Alright, from a distance it looks really great. It's going really well right now. This is the hair that I use, the D.PURPLE African collection braiding hair. And it's almost done, guys. Just like finishing up the top part. And it's really soft here, about 4 packs in, about to hit the 5 pack. And here we go. Okay, so now the top part is installed. I decided to go with the bang look, make it look a bit chic. And now I'm just shaping the hair to the length and style that I want. Just trimming like some flyaways here and there. Sort of on like chop, 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 chop. And then just trying to make sure that everything is even and things like that. And here we go.